All right, this is Blizzard, blue collar, F1B Cockapoo, male. Go ahead and play with him with some of the toys. All right, go ahead and get up and walk around. Okay, see if you can get him to go over the wave. He keeps just going around it. Now you're just scaring him.
Come on.
Maybe try one of the toys. Sometimes I like the toys.
That elephant. Elephant. Ready? Right there. Right there. Come on. Come on.
It's like so close. He's like, I've got no. I'll just walk around.
Oh.
Try walking over it again.
Aha. Oh.
Goes.
Come on.
He's like, well, I'm up here now. What do I do?
Come on.
They don't like the slippery surface and texture of it, so they don't really want to go up and over it.
Oh, yeah. Ready, ready, ready? Now, all the way over. Ready, ready?
He's like, I don't have to go over. I can go around.
Come on. Come on.
He's like, you went around.
Yeah, right onto it. Hold on. Good. Ready? Now one more time. Fast. Oh, yeah.
Yep, see, now he's getting the hang of it.
Oh.
He still doesn't like to go down the other side.
Oh. 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 Go get it. Oh. Ah, ah. Oh. 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 Oh.
Gonna slide down the other side. He's like, oh, I'll go back down this way. All right, let's do touch tolerance.
Play with their teeth. Hold still. Their teeth. Cover their eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Play with their ears. Play with their fur. Play with their tail. Their paws. On their back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Let's do sight and sound. Touch tolerance Tim was high. Did really good.
Come here, Bobby. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Okay, I'll do medium on sound sensitivity for him. Marcus, hand him the umbrella so we can do sight sensitivity. Yeah, you're good on that one. Yep, so sight sensitivity was high. You could see he even squeaked, and you can come hold him now. He says, that was not fun. I did not like that. Marcus, go ahead and get Strawberry. All right, Gus, you can hop out and we'll put the Strawberry in. Okay, good. Put Strawberry in. He's already watching like, wait, who's this now? He was hoping that he was going to get to nurse. Yeah, for sure. Okay, you can take Strawberry out. Marcus, hop in. Dog friendliness, I would say, is neutral. He's like, wait, bring her back. All right, Marcus, good job. All right, so we'll do moderately on tenderhearted. He was definitely a little bit stressed with all of his noise and whining around. Oh, yeah. Marcus will come hold you. Marcus will come hold you.
Come here. Come here. Oh, good.
All right, so for Blizzard, assertiveness towards humans was medium high. He approached Gus and climbed up into his lap. Confidence in his own ability is medium high. He did come in really well, but there was a few different spots where he definitely needs the reassurance. When he got nervous, he needed someone to tell him it was all right. Motivation level is medium. It took him quite a while to get over the wave. His nerve strength, ability to manage and handle, is a medium. Touch tolerance was high. Energy level for him is medium low. Sound sensitivity was medium. Sight sensitivity was high. Like prey drive, playing with the toys and stuff, was medium. Human focus is high. The tenderhearted was moderate, and dog friendliness I just marked as neutral. He was very excited to see Strawberry, but he mostly was just hoping he got to nurse. And that is Blizzard.